Axolotl. This salamander-like creature retains its larval features throughout its life. It has the ability to regenerate lost body parts. Axolotls can regrow entire limbs, spinal cords, and even parts of their hearts and brains. Living areas, found mainly in the canals and lakes of Xochimilco, near Mexico City. Giant isopod. These deep-sea crustaceans are huge and have a strange, armored appearance. They can grow up to 30 centimeters in length and have a slow metabolism, allowing them to survive in food-scarce deep-sea environments. Lives in the deep-sea regions of the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans. Blobfish. Known for its gelatinous and rather ugly appearance, it lives at extreme depths where the pressure is very high. Due to the low pressure at the surface, blobfish look much less blob-like when brought up from the deep. Usually found at depths of 600 to 1,200 meters in the waters off the coasts of Australia and Tasmania. Okapi. Resembling a cross between a zebra and a giraffe, it has a unique striped hindquarters. Okapis have a special tongue that is long and flexible, helping them reach leaves for food. Inhabits the dense rainforests of the Democratic Republic of the Congo in Central Africa. Naked mole rat. They live in underground colonies and are highly resistant to cancer and have low sensitivity to pain. Naked mole rats have a social structure similar to that of bees or ants. Native to parts of East Africa, specifically dry grasslands and deserts. Frilled neck lizard. When threatened, it expands a large frill around its neck to appear more intimidating. The frill can be twice the size of its head and is brightly colored. Found in northern Australia and southern New Guinea. Saiga antelope. It has an unusual, long and droopy nose. The unique nose helps filter dust and warm the cold air before it enters the lungs. Historically lived in the grasslands and semi-deserts of Central Asia. Proboscis monkey. Recognizable by its large, pendulous nose, males use their big noses to attract females and make loud honking sounds. Resides in the mangrove swamps and riverine forests of Borneo. Pink fairy armadillo. It's the smallest armadillo species and has a soft, pink shell. This armadillo spends most of its time burrowing underground. Lives in the dry grasslands and sandy plains of Argentina. Tarsier. With huge eyes and a tiny body, it's an expert at leaping between trees. Tarsier's eyes are so large that they can't move in their sockets. Found in the forests of Southeast Asia, such as the Philippines, Indonesia, and Malaysia. Glaucus atlanticus. A small, blue sea slug that floats upside down and has a venomous sting that it feeds on other venomous creatures and stores their toxins for defense. Distributed in the warm waters of the world's oceans. Baird's tapir. It has a short, flexible snout and is an endangered species. Tapirs use their snouts to forage for food in the undergrowth. Can be found in the rainforests and cloud forests of Central and South America. Ai. A primate with large, constantly growing teeth and a long, bony middle finger for extracting grubs from trees. Iis are considered bad omens in some cultures, leading to their persecution. Native to the rainforests of Madagascar. Platypus. It lays eggs like a bird but nurses its young like a mammal and has a duck-like bill. The platypus uses electroreceptors in its bill to detect prey in the water. Lives along the waterways of eastern Australia. Hummingbird hawk moth. Looks like a hummingbird but is actually a moth. It hovers in front of flowers to feed on nectar, mimicking the behavior of hummingbirds. Commonly seen in gardens and meadows across Europe, Asia, and North Africa.